Out here with my compadres, you know, had to feed my boys. Thugging out chill. We had to feed our peoples, you know what I'm saying? Throw a little bread out there. Yes, sir. Don't make me get them goons now. Them goons lurking. You hear him? Go, go, go! Go! Ben, leave him alone, man. Y'all ain't got to run them off. It's enough bread out here for all y'all. Calm down. Calm down. Johnny, calm down, dog. It's enough bread out there. Come on now. I brung a whole 2 loaves out here for y'all. Johnny, let your friends get some. Come on, Pete. Ed. Come, leave him alone now. He wants some bread. He wants some bread, Johnny. Johnny, you focus on your bread. You ain't even gonna be able to get your bread if you worrying about them. Then your teacher tell you always keep your face on, your eyes on your own paper. See, look at you. Y'all missing bread. You got, look at it. Look at it, see? They coming through on y'all.